Hey, this is Mike from SoundwaveArt.com. I'm going to show you how you can add augmented reality to any piece of art that you already own.
This is our time. This is my time. Listen up and take it. Listen up and take it.
So what you're going to want to do is take a photo of the artwork that you want to add augmented reality to. Unless you have a digital version of it, then go ahead and send that. That would work great. But if you don't, this option will work just as well. So you're going to take your smartphone, snap a picture of the art, making sure that it's straight on and so that the entire piece of art is visible. And you're going to send us that image, and we will crop out the artwork itself so that you don't see this other space around it. That way, when your video plays through your device, it's going to be overlaid on the artwork. Now that you've chosen the artwork that you're going to use, the next thing you'll want to do is create a video, unless you already have one, that you would like to have played when you scan your art. So this is a painting that I had a local artist do. This is my dog that passed away last year. And what I did was just kind of put together a short little video clip of him. Now I'll show you how it works. Once you've uploaded the image and your video, it's going to take us, probably within 14 hours, you'll receive an email from us letting you know that your art is activated. It's usually much quicker than that. So once you receive that email, just download the Soundwave Art mobile app and then scan your art. As you see, it loads pretty quick. That's going to depend on how big your video is. The other cool thing is that your video overlays directly on top of the artwork through your mobile device. If you have any questions about this, please contact us at soundwaveart.com. We'd be happy to help.
This is our time.